Hi friends, MD Vegan again, with a wonderful recipe I found where a seasonable pear and an apple are used to refine carrot soup. Here I have these carrots, see, some large carrots, and against my habit I peel them a little bit, just with a vegetable peeler like this, you see, pretty simple. And if you peel a carrot, it becomes sweeter, because the bitterness, I like bitter, but sometimes, you know, you want to have it sweeter. So to try this recipe, I peel the carrot, core the apple and a pear, you see, these nice apples and pears, bang, 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 cored them, and I took half of an onion and a small piece of garlic, and spiced it with this thyme and this little friend here. See? My blender is ready to go. I cut the carrot into some more smaller pieces, quickly done. Chop, chop, chop. Put them in. Together with the onion, garlic. Well, I move the fruits on cuts that make the soup creamy and a little bit sweet and sour. Apple and pear, sour, sweet, but moderately so. Thyme, I will put a little bit of thyme into my mortar to spice a little bit, make it finer. This is mortar, grind it. It's easier. Yeah, maybe a half a tablespoon thyme. And the nutmeg with my grater. Where's my grater? Grater, come here. And it's microplane. Put some nutmeg in. Oops, loud. Nutmeg can touch a nice smell. It's a very interesting spice. Don't take too much of it, otherwise we get too curious. So, joking. So some water. Let's see how smooth and runny this will get. 1, 2, 3. See, maybe it should be a little more runny. I like my soups a little bit more runny, usually. This is a little bit thick. Well. Oh, the pear and the apple. Very nice, very nice. Some more water. See now, I wash my spoon a little bit. Yes. Okay. Wow. It's a fruity fruity carrot soup, like this. See, runny. I'll show you. Well, I guess I enjoyed. Let me think for a moment. Could I add something more? And now comes the part where I begin to think, meditate, contemplate. Interesting. It's very fresh and fruity, watery. It was good to have having peeled the carrot because there is a light tartness in it to it. The thyme is very nice. The nutmeg, of course, very nice. But something I'm missing from the 7 ingredients. There was apple, pear, carrot, garlic, onion, nutmeg, thyme. I would add another 2 to make these 2 perfect. So it is a lemon, simply cut a lemon, and press some lemon juice directly into my soup. Not a little bit, you know, a splash, a spritzer. And some coconut butter. Because I thought the slight tartness of that soup, ask for just a little bit, a tablespoon or so, of coconut butter. That's it. Oh, I will add some more of the nutmeg. A bit more, whoops. Oh, it fell in. Oh, come on. That would be too much. Falling around. Should be in. It is in now. And some more time. Chop the rest of it. And I forgot some salt. Yeah, I had some salt already, so 10 ingredients. I will show you again what this soup looks like. See how runny it is? A nice, creamy soup with this special foamy texture, and the foam will make the taste go all around, have more space. That's the soup I like. That's the soup of my liking. So it's 10 ingredients. And I wish you a wonderful day with a creamy carrot soup. See you very soon.